Look who decided to join us. Because, yeah, we need to get to where we can get around without making more of a mess. We need to clean up some mess. So, because there's like 70 pounds of paint all over the floor.
So. You can clean up your mess.
It's not my fault I'm the only one out here working on it.
I have to work.
But even on weekends you didn't have to work. Yeah.
Don't test me.
That's a lot of paint. You know what's bad? That all this paint is from 2 fenders. Oh, I just about pulled a U.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, look at all that you dumped on the side, too.
I didn't do that.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did not. Look at you do. Clean up.
Yeah, because I actually clean up. Oh.
Hey, I did some. I did my part.
What, 1 load?
And then I dumped it all over the floor.
And then you admit to dumping it on the floor. Everybody wonders why the gauge cluster doesn't work. Because I don't know what of the heater goes to other components wiring wise. Because I'll have to pull back all the loom and trace whatever's coming out of this up through the harness and see where it goes. Because I don't think any of it goes to the, well, some of it's got to go to the relay box over there, but I think the old relay box had a heater relay in it. The cover for it to see what's in here though. See, like, what the hell is all this shit? I know there's like some plug-in boxes, but here's another. The turn signal, or one of them is like this little circuit board that controls the dimming of the dash. And those go bad all the time, but you just jump them and they're fixed. And then there's like a turn signal thing. The intermittent wiper controller, I think, is all down through here. Well, I can at least chop this and get this the hell out of the way and get it up through the windshield. This, I don't know. Technically everything after the fuse box has to go. The whole idea is to get it up and out of the way though. Lord. Obviously you saw where the seat bracket is rusted. There's no point in saving it. There's no point in using the factory mounting system for the seat at all. So we'll just cut all the factory mounts out, use square stock to build the floorboard support and the seat brackets, plus we have to build the seat mounts for the rear seat. Most likely, if we can get our hands on it, it will be a front seats and rear seat out of an FRS, just because I like the way they mount. The underneath mounting does not matter. We can custom build all of our own. It'll be easier that way. It'll be safer that way. Gotta love doing surgery, because it looks like somebody else did, and they actually did a really pretty bang up job doing it actually. My best guess is blowout maybe, and then this was all beat all to hell because it's chock full of Bondo. But my best guess, look at that, you have a cut line that's been re-welded. So my best guess is maybe they sliced it here so that they could pull all this out. I don't know why you would do that. Normally you'd get a slide hammer and put in those little, I don't know what they're called, and then you slide hammer all that out and then beat it flat. I wouldn't, unless there was a big giant crease right here that they kind of cut out at the same time. But that's obviously, I mean, you can tell that's obviously, I've sanded the crap out of it, tried to smooth it out. But that's obviously a weld. That's weird. That spot came perfectly clean. That's not chock full of Bondo. This was the other spot that I found. It's obviously got some surface rust. It was all underneath. The majority of it's underneath the, oh, what do they call that? Like 3M sticky tack that used to, it was like a little bumpy area right here that kind of set inside here, a black line. Nobody ever keeps those. But yeah, it's not too bad. But yeah, I'll stop talking now. Yeah, I think it's coming along. Yep, I'm not recording this again. It's just going to be horrible. But, have you come up with saying yet? You've been gone for how many days? How many videos you missed? Like episode 5 is when she left us. And this is going to be like 11 or 12 probably, because I've got, I think, 2 more episodes, 10 and 11 in there already. I just, because of work and
kids.
Yeah, she's easy. She played outside, I worked in the garage.
I was mostly at work when you were.
You were, yeah. Well, and when you weren't at work, I even told him that. When you weren't at work, it was like, what? Uh-oh. What did that say? Uh-oh. Yep, we're done. So, no more arguing. See you later.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.